Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a basic shape, perfect for beginners and a great foundation for any drawing. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video to support the channel and stay updated with more tutorials. Let's get started. First, draw your points or path. Use tools like Add Point, Draw Shape, or Freehand to lay down your vector path. Make sure the path is closed if you want to fill it. Second, select the points. Use the Select Points tool to highlight the points that form your shape. You can drag select or click individual points while holding Shift. Third, activate the Create Shape tool. Choose the Create Shape tool from the toolbar. In the tool options, choose whether you want a fill, stroke, or both. Fourth, click Create. Once your points are selected and options set, click the Create button. Your shape will appear with the chosen fill and/or stroke. Simply click on Fill, choose your shade, and watch your shape come to life. You could also build a mini segment around this to show different styles. Now let's insert an image and trace it. But here's where things can get frustrating. Sometimes, after tracing, the layer seems to disappear completely. If that's happened to you, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you why it happens and how to fix it step by step. You can see here I followed the previous steps of drawing shape where I selected Draw Shape tools and then click on Oval to draw a shape. Next, I use the Add Points tool to give my shape more flexibility. By adding anchor points, I can sculpt the character's outline exactly how I want, adjusting curves, refining edges, and building personality into the design. Now look what happened. After I drew the shape, I couldn't see it at all. Even when I moved the original image, my new drawing was nowhere to be found. This usually means two things: you're working on the wrong layer, and you haven't actually created a shape yet. But don't worry, here's the trick to fix it. First, click on the layer you were working on. This ensures you're editing the right one. Then, grab the Select Points tool and highlight the points you've drawn. Head over to the Create Shape tool and click Create. Now you'll see your shape appear in front of the original image. But if you clicked Create Shape and nothing showed up, don't panic. It likely means the shape was created behind your reference image. To fix that, just head to the Layers panel and drag your vector layer up above the image layer. That puts your shape in full view, right where you need it. If you've rearranged your layers but still don't see the shape, the issue is probably during creation. You might have skipped choosing a style. When using the Create Shape tool, make sure to tick either Fill, Stroke, or both before hitting Create. Without that, Moho doesn't know how to render the shape visually, so it stays invisible. To fix this, start by selecting the layer containing your shape. Next, switch to the Create Shape tool and click along the edges to define the shape. Then, head over to the Fill option and make sure the checkbox is selected. This ensures your shape is rendered properly. And that's it, you've now got your shape visible and filled correctly in Moho. Just remember, selecting the right layer, clicking the edges with the Create Shape tool, and ensuring the fill box is ticked are key steps to keep your animation workflow smooth. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, or drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're using these techniques in your own projects. And if you're diving deeper into rigging, shading, or modular asset creation, I've got more tutorials lined up that'll guide you through it all step by step. Thanks for watching, and keep creating with confidence.